Monopoly Go tips, tricks, and strategy. The first we have here, or the first trick we have is alt account or make a second account. There are a variety of reasons why you might want to open a second account on Monopoly Go, and in this piece, I'll explain how to do so. You can connect your Monopoly Go game progress to your Apple or Facebook. You can utilize them to make various Monopoly Go. If you have more than one of these accounts, you must first log out of your existing account in the game settings before logging in with a different Facebook or Apple account to accomplish this. And that's the first trick. The second one, do not ever maximize your landmarks. Well, shields are crucial in the game of Monopoly. Defend the points of interest on your board. This shield your assets from other players' attempts to take down your landmark. However, the number of shields you can carry is limited. Depending on your roll multiplier, you may receive free rolls if you have reached your maximum number of shields and land on a tile with a shield. Number 3. Exchange stickers for rewards. Monopoly Go. How to do that? Well, are you curious about sticker trading in Monopoly Go? There's a good chance you'll acquire a playing card that is an exact duplicate of one you already have. In this case, trading or sending them to your pals or friends will be your best bet. Additionally, because they are collecting goods, they will be able to advance more easily in their board game quest and rewards. The number of trades you can make in a day is capped, so there are a few things to keep in mind. Another thing, players must first remember that in Monopoly Go, they cannot exchange any stickers unless they have a duplicate in their album collection. They are set aside for collection, which explains why. It's also important to note that in Monopoly Go, you can only send stickers to your friends. Next trick we have here is trade on Facebook. It's worth joining the Monopoly Go trading group, a private Facebook group hosted by Scopely, the developer of Monopoly Go, if you want to expand your social network, especially friends. Here, you can interact with other gamers who are, of course, actively looking for friends and where they can submit your referral URL with approximately 250,000 members. It is a very active group with about 10,000 posts per day and 6,000 new members per week. Okay. The bulk of the users of this Facebook group want to exchange stickers, which is indeed very advantage, but they also want to play with friends. Okay. And the next trick we have is shutdown minigames or the shutdown guide. One of the Monopoly Go minigames called Shutdown enables other tycoons to generate actual in-game money. This mobile game is an online adaptation of the well-known Monopoly board game, where you can purchase, exchange, and build real estate. You get more lucky as your net worth increases. The crucial query, however, is how to activate shutdown. So, landing on railroad tile on a virtual board will start the Monopoly Go Shutdown minigame. This well known board game now includes a number of extra minigames that, of course, will award valuable items. For example, we have like in game cash, jewelry, and gold. However, before moving on, you must keep in mind that playing this minigame could lead to excessive rent, or what's worst is bankruptcy. So the next trick we have here is you have to complete this 8-hour box. Okay, so what does it mean? Roles replenish a leveling up network, finishing sticker albums, daily prizes, quick wins, inviting friends, events and tournaments, shop gift box, landing on shield, chance card, community chest, and color set reward wheel are all ways to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. You will receive 6 free rolls in the game after every hour interval. When your rolls bar is full, the automatic rolls replenish will stop. Your financial worth determines how quickly dice generated. One will get extra dice every 60 minutes, the quantity of which is based on their network. Here's a good practice: you can raise your rolls bar cap by winning more games. You can obtain and use more free rolls by playing the game frequently, of course. Next tip we have here is, of course, to participate tournaments. Limited time activities called tournaments pit players against one other to amass a certain currency and win rewards. There are typically up to 25 reward levels to complete, and the more tournament currency you earn, the more goodies you can unlock and the higher at the leaderboard you can move. The tournaments are often mentioned on the right side of the game board. While they all operate in the same way, they could provide different methods of earning currency. For instance, okay, some will depend on landing on a train station, while others, of course, may depend on landing on specific board squares. Okay, so next trick we have here is you just have to increase your net worth in Monopoly Go. So, how to do that? Building a property is essential, or let's just say in Monopoly Go, developing a property is necessary to raise your net worth. This approach is not, however, as simple as it is. You can earn significant rewards like cash, rent, and shields by rolling dice on the gaming board. You can create new structures with the resources you've collected from the game board, which of course will help you increase your portfolio in this game. Always remember that in Monopoly Go, you still have work to do to develop your structures in this environment. You'll advance more quickly and gain access to new maps if you renovate your landmarks. It's important to remember that other people will attack your enterprises, so it's a good idea to regularly enhance your building and utilize shields to deflect any incoming attacks from them. Number 9, we have here community chest. You will put money into the community chest, which is located on the board close to the free parking tile. Each time you land on a community chest tile, you will put money into the community chest, which is located on the board close to the parking or free parking tile each time you land on a community chest tile. You must invite friends to play the game in order to unlock the chest and receive your prize. You can open the chest and enjoy the victory with your pals as soon as enough friends accept your invitation to participate. Lastly, focus on your goal. So, does Monopoly have a strategy? I don't think so. You must use all of the information that you have just learned on this tutorial. The greatest strategy to win Monopoly is to understand the rules, because if you don't know what is and isn't allowed, you won't be able to prevent your opponents from abusing the game, and you won't be able to fully utilize the other strategies on this list. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.